I'm not even, I'm only 36.
Yeah, don't worry. Yeah,
So
I don't think so it's any serious.
Yeah, hopefully not.
We do something good, you know?
Yeah.
Come sit here. Don't worry. Everything's gonna be fine.
Yeah.
Don't
Magic
worry.
hands.
Magic hands. It's nothing magic here, it's only techniques. Well, you know, to make people believe.
Where's your wands?
Abracadabra. Go home.
That's what I hope, yeah.
Sit. I'm just gonna check flexibility first.
Yeah.
Because you don't know where the problems start.
Yeah, super.
Yeah, no. Let me see here. Okay. Shoulders.
Yeah.
Okay.
I find like I'm not even that flexible anymore, and I'm only 36.
Okay, no bad. No.
I've no children or not, like.
You're young.
Yeah,
Don't worry.
but I feel old because I'm like, you know, you're trying to.
Yes, and gravity do the work.
Yeah.
Every day we are fighting the gravity. We want to stand up. This is life. You know, we're gonna continue till we can. We come here not for a long time. We come here for a good time and go.
Yeah.
You know, that's life. But don't worry.
Yeah.
We try the best to keep staying longer and healthy.
Yeah, you're right.
That's it. Yeah, no. Or else, you know, if we abuse, we are not long.
Yeah.
You can have a good time, but it's not going to be for a long time.
That's right. You're so right.
That's it. Relax here. Perfect.
Oh, lovely.
It's okay. Yeah. Nice one. Don't worry.
No, I just laugh.
Yeah.
I do laugh with nerves, you know yourself, but I'm grand, like.
It's okay. Alright.
I see like the work that you do on TikTok and it is fantastic. That's what I was like, I'm not going to the doctor, I'm going to Magic Hands Gym.
Yeah. Before you go to a doctor, you try lots of things, and if it's not working, you go to doctor.
Yeah, you're right.
You can check MRI, you can see what's going on.
Yeah.
I don't think so it's any serious. Let me see. Oh, here. Barrier.
Oh.
That's gas. Yeah, it's gas release.
That's funny.
Oh,
Jesus, that was a big one.
That was a big one.
That was lovely. I can feel the release going down my back. That's lovely.
Yeah. That's I said, because I like to do full body treatment.
Yeah.
To see where we are.
Yeah, absolutely. Magic Hands Jimmy.
Yeah.
Everyone has to come in. The whole of Ireland will be in next.
One by one.
Yeah.
Hold it there, please. Nice. Next. Nice. Close your fingers on your hips. Yeah, that's it. Close your elbows. Nice. Oh, yeah.
Oh, that was lovely.
Yeah, hold it. Perfect. Nice. Do me a favor?
Yeah.
Put your hands here. Hold it there. Okay, and grab it here. See the elbow? Push it back. Push it back. Push. Nice. This one. Push. Good. Stay like that.
I even actually bought one of them like ages ago.
Did you use
Well,
it? I know you need somebody else to use it.
Yeah.
The back.
Jesus, that's something different,
That's
isn't it?
different, yeah.
Oh my God, I feel so much lighter, like.
I'm very, I see that different completely.
Yeah.
We just started. Do me a favor. Face down.
Yeah.
Now we start the business. That was only warm up.
Yeah, that's grand. I'm absolutely sweating.
Don't worry. Yeah, leave that. That's it.
Like here?
Yeah, perfect.
Great.
Perfect.
Thanks so much.
I know.
It's mad.
Ah,
It's
yeah.
like a drill, isn't it?
Yeah. Relax.
Oh God.
It's not.
Oh. Oh.
It's a little more.
Oh.
I know, I'm sorry. It's
No,
a
it's
little
okay.
uncomfortable.
Yeah. It's this one. This
I know,
is the sore one, yeah.
I know, don't worry. That
Yeah.
one by one. I don't want to go stay away, you know. Okay, relax. Close.
Oh. Oh.
Ah, yeah.
That's it.
That's it. Don't worry.
I can feel the pain like going.
Yeah, let's go do the same.
Yeah.
What we have here. That's it.
Oh.
Oh, they're all blocked.
Yeah.
They're all blocked. It's okay. Oh, yeah.
Oh Jesus, yeah.
Nice. Let's go to C7 here. Oh, nice one.
Oh Jesus. Yeah.
Jesus is not gonna help you today, it's Jimmy.
Jim Magic Jimmy.
He sent me here.
Yeah. You actually wear that to me. It's funny. Everyone needs Jimmy. No doctor.
Yeah.
Just go to Jimmy.
No, doctors are very good for a lot of things. I am good with some things here.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice one. Perfect. Nice.